Welcome back to the show. I'm Gard Swanson. Well, it's time to get serious about spring cleaning and turn the outside of your home from drab to fab. And if the task seems a little bit overwhelming, don't worry about it. Just call on our friends and our sponsor, Johnny Tsunami. Johnny Tsunami is the king when it comes to conquering crud that attacks your home. Roofs caked with heavy moss, gutters overflowing with debris, and siding being overrun with gunk. Not to mention your windowsills blanketed with the green enemy. This Seattle home is a perfect example of how Mother Nature can slowly destroy your home.
The neighbors have a couple of overhanging trees, so the moss builds up on the north side of the house. I'm privileged enough to be able to work from home, so I've spent 24 hours a day inside the house and not looking at the outside of the house. So I know that there's a lot of deferred maintenance that I really needed to take care of at this point.
There's a ton. The perfect storm for Johnny Tsunami.
So on the house today, we're going to be doing the siding, and then we're going to be spraying a bleach solution on the siding to take off all of the moss and the mold and all that. And then on the roof, we're going to be brushing all of the moss off, and then I believe soft washing as well.
Johnny Tsunami started from the top down. First, lightly sweeping the heavy moss off the shingles, being very careful with each stroke.
If you're really brushing away, you can take a whole bunch of the granules off, and that's basically taking years off your roof. So if you're brushing a lot, you could take up to like 5 to 10 years off your roof. So you really want to be delicate with that.
Once the heavy moss was removed, it was time to clean the gutters. This gutter was pulling away from the house because of the weight.
When you get a whole bunch of stuff in the gutter line, it tends to sag, and when that happens, it can pull away completely from the fascia of the house, and that's just a completely new repair that you're gonna have to get done. So it's easier to clean out the gutter opposed to just getting an entirely new gutter.
Johnny Tsunami made the gutters sing, super clean on the inside, and also brushing off all the grime on the outside, making them look brand new.
So I did a house about a week ago where me and my lead, we pulled out about 350 pounds worth of debris out of the gutter. So yeah, it's really, really important to take care of it, or it's just gonna pull away from the fascia board.
Then it was time to tackle the siding. Here on the north end of the home, if you do not remove the grime, you are looking for trouble.
If you leave it on for too long, it'll literally deteriorate your paint. And we've gone to some houses where they've left it on there for about 15 years. And once you do the siding, everything comes out, but where it was heavily compacted, like with all the moss, it's just gonna eat away all of the paint, and there's nothing more you can do about it except for paint over it, really.
Johnny Tsunami got busy on the siding. First pulling away all the vines and the weeds growing on the home, then spraying the area with an environmentally friendly cleaning solution. After letting it soak for 5 minutes, they softly scrubbed the siding. Then rinsed it clean. The results, remarkable. Everything looking brand new. All right, here you go, Kim. It looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Oh my God, it looks new.
It does, and look at your gutters. They look brand new.
It was filthy before, and now it is not.
So your roof looks good, your siding looks tremendous too.
It really is beautiful. Thank you, Johnny Tsunami. You guys did a great job.
Johnny Tsunami really rescued this house, right?
Absolutely.
It's just a thrill seeing everyone happy involved. So like, we take really, really a lot of pride in doing our work and making sure it comes out great. And by the time we leave, we like seeing the customer smile, we like to smile, and it's just an overall great experience.
Right now, for Seattle Refined viewers, Johnny Tsunami is offering up to $75 off any exterior cleaning service, and you can save more when you bundle. Call the number there on your screen, 206-899-0003 to learn more.